We'll guide you through how to add video and audio from different files on FFmpeg. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have the FFmpeg command line tool installed and recognized by your computer. First, open your File Explorer and create a new folder to keep your workspace organized. Move or copy both your video file and your separate audio file into this newly created folder. To make the command process easier and avoid typing errors later, we need to rename these files. Right-click on your video file, select Rename, and safely change its name to video.mp4. Next, right-click on your audio file, select Rename, and change it to audio.mp3. Once your files are prepared, click on the directory path located in the address bar at the top of your File Explorer window. Highlight the existing text, type CMD directly into the address bar, and press Enter on your keyboard. This action will launch a command prompt window targeted at your current folder location. To begin the merging process, accurately type FFmpeg --i video.mp4 and add a space. This effectively acts as your first input source. After the space, carefully type -i audio.mp3 and add another space. This accurately acts as your secondary input source today. Next, securely type -c copy and add a space. This critical command smoothly tells FFmpeg to copy the original quality of both files completely without doing a slow re-encoding process. Finally, type a new name for your combined output file. For example, final_output.mp4. Check your terminal screen to ensure the complete command exactly looks like this. FFmpeg --i video.mp4 -i audio.mp3 -c copy final_output.mp4. Press Enter directly on your keyboard to execute the combining process. Because we used the copy format, the terminal will rapidly mux the video and audio tracks together in just a few seconds. Wait for the scrolling text to stop. Once the terminal successfully returns to the default typing prompt, the entire process is finished. Close the command prompt window, return to your File Explorer, and double-click your new final_output MP4 file to hear your added audio playing over your video.